pick my brush, pick up some of the hot pink colors. Hey Nancy, how are you? Hey Jocelyn, how are you? Keep it nice and wet. And then when you're doing a darker pigments like this, really pigmented, is basically you're doing it. It can be really easy, but can be really tricky because like you just need to like brush it, like have a neon and really pigmented. Brush it like you're painting. Make sure you clean your brush really nice and clean. I am gonna using it more. Let me move this one. Make sure you blend this part nicely. Wipe my brush. Pick some of the glitter. Hope everyone have a great Thursday. I'm so excited if you're just tuning in. Welcome back to our live tutorial. It's another excited day. A lot of different cute contents. So I am going, if you're happy with that glitter like this, then we're gonna cap that just a little bit in the clear. And then I am going to use the nude colors, which is a OM14B. Just it's right in where the hot pink is finished. Using the brush, the tip of the brush, and blend it gently. You don't want to pull them all out because if you pull them, all your powder is gonna be like wiped off. And I am going to the second beads. This is really cool though. Close to the cuticle. If you missed my live video last night, I got to do it in the real models nails, and we show you how you get closer to the cuticles. So if you get closer to the cuticles, you only need to do it just like push them a little bit up and blend them out. And always guide them toward to the center. It's okay. Just go back in. Hey Instagram, sorry. Hey Instagram, sorry it was a 60 minutes, so then that's why Instagram it just like just say bye to everyone, but we'll come right back. So now if you're happy with this ombre like that, and then I'll add just a little bit more. Hi, thank you for coming back Instagram. Sorry the Instagram is just get out for about 60 minutes. But we've come right back. So now I am going to use my clear to cap between the light pink, which is the nude, and the hot pink and ombre. So then it will protect your ombre from finding them coming off. This hot pink is really nice. Great, so I'm gonna let this one dry. I'm gonna fire them later. Just a little bit more. Hi Lily, hello Michelle, how are you? Great. I'm gonna let it dry. Looks super cute. Let's do some hot